let us start part 1, chapter 11, area and its boundary, NCERT class 5. In this video, we will learn whose slice is bigger. NCERT class 5, page number 146 to 148. Whose slice is bigger? Parth and Ginny bought aam papad. Aam papad is dried slice of mango from a shop. This is slice A, slice B. Which slice is bigger? So, how can we tell which slice is bigger? What can we do? We can see width of this rectangle is 3 centimeter and length of this rectangle is 11 centimeter. And length of this rectangle is 6 centimeter and width is 5 centimeter. Okay. If I cut it from between, so this will 3 centimeter, this will 3 centimeter, and I will cut it from middle. What will I do? I just take this slice and paste here. If slice is correct, it will be straight. So this will be 3 centimeter. This will be 5 centimeter. So from here to here, it will be 10 centimeter. So now you can see this is a rectangle with width 3 centimeter and length 10 centimeter. This is a rectangle with width 3 centimeter and length 11 centimeter. So now we can compare these two rectangle as width is same now. So this is 5 centimeter long, this is 11 centimeter long. If width is same, longer length rectangle is bigger, so this slice is bigger. So is there any other way to know which slice is bigger? Yes. What can we do? We just put these two slices on square sheet. So what will we see? We will just put the square sheet and so in this way, here 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, up 11 square, and down 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. So how many total square will be there? This multiply by this, 33 smaller squares means this has 33 squares, and this will have 6 in this way, 6, and down way 5 because 5 centimeter. So 6 5s are 30 square centimeter. Okay. So these are two methods to know which is bigger slice, because this is 33 centimeter square. So this will be bigger slice. And how can we calculate area of these two slices? Let us see. This is rectangle 1, rectangle 2. Area of piece A is equal to length into breadth, because this is rectangle. So an area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So 6 centimeter into 5 centimeter, that is 30 square centimeter. And area of piece B, length into breadth, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is 11 into 3 centimeter, that is 33 square centimeter. So piece B is bigger, area of piece B is larger than area of piece A. So slice B is bigger than slice A. So this is the simple way to calculate the area. Just multiply length and breadth. Okay. So let us move. Cover with the stamp. This stamp has area 4 square centimeter. This is a 4 square centimeter stamp. Means 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter. That is 4 square centimeter. So guess how many such stamps will cover this big stem. So let us see. In along with length, 2 stems, 3 stems, 4 stems, 5 stems, 6 stems, 7 stems. So what we have seen, there are 7 stems which is covering the length of the bigger rectangle. So length is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So what will be the total length? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 means repeated addition. So repeated addition is multiplication. 2 into 7 because 7 times 7 steps. 7 to the 14 centimeter. So length of bigger rectangle is 14 centimeter. What is the width of the bigger rectangle? Let us see how many stems cover the bigger rectangle. 2, 3, 4. So here 2, 2, 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So width of the rectangle is 2 into 4 because 4 stems is covering. 4 to the 8 centimeter. So width of the bigger rectangle is 8 centimeter. So what is the area of bigger rectangle? Area of rectangle is, just we learn, length into width, that is 14 into 8. 14 into 8, 112 square centimeter. How many total stems will cover this? I have just told you 7 stems this way and 4 stems this way. 7 into 4, 28 stems. 28 stems will cover the complete rectangle. So is there any other way to calculate the area of the larger rectangle, bigger rectangle? Yes, another method can be area. How many square is there? 28 squares. What is the area of 1 square? That is 4 square centimeter. So area of total is 28 into 4, that is 112 square centimeter. Now what is the perimeter of the rectangle, bigger rectangle? Perimeter is 2 into length plus 2 into width. 2 into length is 14 centimeter plus 2 into width. Width is 8 to the 16. So 28 plus 16, 44 centimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle is 44 centimeter. So let us see the answers. Measure the yellow rectangle. Its length is 14 centimeter. How many stems can place along its length? 7 stems. How wide is the rectangle? 8 centimeter. How many stems can cover along with width? 4. How many stems are needed to cover the rectangle? 28 stems. So you can see what was the difference between your guess and real answer. What is the area of rectangle? 112 square centimeter. We have just calculated. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 44 centimeter. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.